Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to see how will be the Flipkart exchange process in the 2026. So today I'm going to exchange my Realme GT2 with the recently launched Realme P4 Power. So uska battery 10,000 mAh hai. So that's why I thought of buying the Realme P4 Power and reviewing that mobile phone. And this one is 4 years back old mobile phone. So Realme GT2. So still it's pretty good phone, and overall the phone condition is also एक भी scratch नहीं है इसका. So no scratch, nothing at all, as you can see. So no scratch, and today I'm going to do the of the exchange process. So this is the phone condition, and I do have the phone box with me. So this is the Realme GT2 box. So as you can see guys, no scratches, no dents, nothing. So the price quoted about 10,000. So 10,000, maybe 300 or 400, somewhere in that price. The price has been quoted, and now, so no scratch, nothing at all. Let's see how will be the Flipkart exchange process going on for this Realme GT2 with a perfect condition, with the box also available, and no scratches, no dents on the screen, nothing at all. Phone is in perfectly good condition, and this is a Realme GT2, perfect box also there, exactly matching with the IMEI number also. So now we'll try to observe how will be the overall Flipkart exchange process will be there. So in the 2026, and how much time it actually takes to complete exchange process also to finish. That's what I'm going to complete video today. So let's get started guys. In case if you are interested in this kind of more videos with Amazon exchange process also, let me know in the comment section below. I can definitely upload the video also separately. So stay tuned for more updates. So I got a call from the delivery agent, and I'm going to take my box and the mobile phone with me. Let's see complete step-by-step procedure how it involves the exchange process in the Flipkart in 2026. And try to watch the video completely, because a lot of users, they did mention that there are scams going on in the exchange process, and the delivery agents, they are trying to reject the device saying the small scratches is there. But right now my phone is completely clean, no scratch at all. And let's see whether the delivery agent will be able to notice anything, and whether he will be trying to scam me or not. That's what I'm going to check in this video. And I forgot to take the tamper glass, so which is pretty old tamper glass, like 4 years old mobile phone. I did not even remove the tamper glass at all. And right now he's checking all the corners to find any small dent and small scratch. So once everything is perfect, so you're gonna take the pictures of the device front, back, and all the corners as well. Along with that, you'll be trying to take the images for the IMEI number also. And please remember guys, IMEI number of the phone and the IMEI number of the box, sometimes the delivery agent will be checking that. And right now he's asking me to connect my Wi-Fi as well, but temporarily I have created another hotspot. So that's how I'm connecting right now to the Wi-Fi, because you need to download the application in the exchange mobile phone which I have given. I'll try to show you as well step-by-step process. So now he's selecting everything, all the options, like everything is in perfect condition, fair, and good condition only, back side, front side. So make sure to check that he's selecting the exact option during this time, because sometimes the delivery agent, he might select, even though condition is perfect, he might select that fail as well. So please make sure to check. And right now he's taking the screenshot of the camera picture of the IMEI number, you can see. So right now the application what he is using, the delivery application, the IMEI numbers are automatically detected, and in this way it will be able to confirm that the mobile phone is a Realme GT2 only. That's how the IMEI number actually will get confirmation. And he's taking multiple pictures of the device as well, front, back, and everything. So if you have the very good internet connection, the process will get slightly faster. I'll try to explain you as well why it is like that. So right now it's trying to find any dots, like any dents, is there any scratches is there or not on the device, because for every one scratch or two scratch, easily 600 to 700 to 800 rupees will get impacted, even if it has got like one dent scratch on the device. So that much of variation you can actually notice. So with the box, I did not give any charger, no adapter I have given, just only the box, that's it. Nothing is needed at the time of exchange, only the box is needed, and the box should match the IMEI number of the Realme GT2 as well. So sometimes the delivery agents, they will try to check it, and sometimes they will not check the IMEI number. And right now we got the pictures for the screen as well. And once everything, all the pictures he has taken in the device, now he will try to download the Flipkart application. So we'll try to go to the website. So that's why he asked me to connect the Wi-Fi. You can see the QR code has been generated on the delivery agent mobile phone. You can see guys that QR code is been generated, and that QR code is only possible, available for only this device. It will not work for any other smartphone also, that QR code. So right now he's downloading the Flipkart application, which is a Flipkart testing application. So in that, you will be able to test the display, camera and everything. You can see the application which is downloading as well. So once it's downloaded, you got all the settings as well according to my phone configurations. Because if my phone has got the in-display fingerprint scanner, it will also ask for the in-display fingerprint scanner also to set up. So depending on the phone, it will ask the step process. And right now it's checking all the display. Is the display is good or not? You can see complete process. And display is set. And even you will try to play some audio as well regarding the OTP audio will be coming. So you'll get the confirmation of the OTP audio as well. You're trying to listen to the audio at this moment, whether the OTP is, loudspeaker test is also done. So right now you can see the process going on, but meanwhile he has to move his bike because there was like some truck has come. So that's why he went over there. But meanwhile I got a look here. So that's the Realme GT2 and is a Realme P4 Power, which I'm going to get. And the GPS, Face ID, fingerprint scanner, everything will be tested in this application. As you can see guys, the complete process going on at this moment, and this whole process gonna take like 10 to 15 minutes of time. So be prepared for that kind of time to spend here. So right now all the testings he's trying to do, and I think he's registering for the Face ID scanning, I guess. Yeah, he's trying to do the Face ID check also. So some of the mobile phones, they do ask for the Face ID. Not all the devices will ask, but some phones, they do ask for the Face ID. So right now the Face ID has been registered, and fingerprint testing is trying to do at this moment. You can see the fingerprint testing as well. It's going on at this point. And if you have everything perfect, no need to worry at all. So even if you have a small scratch or small dent on your device, that is a like sometimes you might escape, but if the delivery agent notices that small scratch or dent, then there will be any kind of issue. And right now everything has been passed, all the testings in my device, because I do know like about my phone, everything, there's no issues at all in the device. So this phone has got exchange value of 10,500 or 600, around that value I got for this device for the exchange. So everything has been set to the highest value, and now it'll try to send me the OTP or verification which I need to do confirm in my device. So once after I confirm the exchange value and everything, then the phone will be completely done. So now he's trying to unbox my other device, which is an open box delivery, right? So there is a reason why he's trying to open my Realme P4 Power. So if you agree for the terms and conditions, like the price value, it will try to give you at the time. So if you select everything pass, you will get exact value, whatever it is mentioned. So that's why I got exact value, no issues with the processing and everything. So, and here is a Realme P4 Power unboxing as well with the open box delivery by the Flipkart agent. And you can see right now, so this is the open box delivery for the Realme P4 Power. So this is how the Flipkart exchange process is there in the 2026 year. So this much of time it will take overall for the complete setup process. And let me know in the comment section below in case if you have any other questions on this Flipkart exchange process. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. and everything has been checked in the phone, the charger, cable, and he has to take all the pictures for the device. So there is no option for him also to reject that open box. So you cannot say like I'll try to open myself. You cannot say that because he has to take the proof of the box inside also everything. That is the reason now I'm trying to check it myself. But overall, this is my complete step-by-step process involved in the exchange process of the Flipkart during this time. And let me know in the comments what are your thoughts. If you did you face any kind of scams or not, let me know in the comments. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned and bye.